afternoon and welcome to EFIX Professionals Network PLC. Let me quickly run you through the steps for standard membership registration. So when you go to your browser, preferably Chrome, type in our website, which is www.fics.com.ng. Click on Become a Member or Membership Registration. Click on Standard. Click on Register Now. Type in the aggregator code and pick from the list of displayed aggregators. Click on Continue. Enter your BVN, your surname, and your date of birth correctly. Then you click on Verify BVN. So now you proceed to, ensuring that your details are properly and correctly filled. Enter your company name, educational qualification, state, local government, and word. In an event where the word does not allow you to pick from the drop-down, please type in your word name manually. And then you click on Proceed to Payment. Choose your desired payment options and make your payment. Once this is successfully executed, you will get an email from EFIX Professionals Network PLC confirming your registration. So having concluded your registration as a standard member, let me run you through the step-by-step guide on activating your dashboard as a standard member of EFIX Professionals Network PLC. Go to your browser, preferably Chrome, type in the website www.fics.com.ng. Click on Login at the top right corner of the page. Scroll down and click on Create Account if you have not created one yet. Then go ahead and check your email for OTP. OTP is a one-time password that will be sent via the email that you use for registration. Input the OTP and click on Verify Account. Enter your email address and password. And of course, go ahead and confirm your password, then click on Sign In. Then your dashboard opens. Thank you and have a great day.